Hello Sanvi. I noticed you were absent from few days in last week. Is everything alright?
Hi Dipali ma'am. Yes, I am sorry about that. I had a family emergency and had to be away from school for a few days.
See, is everything okay now? If you need any help catching up on missed work, just let me know.
Thank you ma'am. I have already spoken with some classmates to get notes and assignments, but I may need some extra help with the maths homework from last week.
Everything okay now? If you need any help catching up on missed work, just let me know. And we can schedule some time after class or during my office hours to go over anything you need.
Thank you, ma'am. Already spoken with some classmates and assignments, but I may need some extra help with the maths homework from last week.
Take your time, Sanvi. Your well-being comes first. Just let me know if there is anything I can do to support you during this time.
Thank you,